Hello friends, I am Dr. Sonal Chandak, Associate Professor Shrimati Kesharbai Lahuti Mahavidyalaya Amravati. In this presentation, we are going to discuss on one of the very important topics under research methodology, that is questionnaire. Questionnaire, friends, as we know, is said to be an important tool of surveying. In survey, the questionnaires are used as an important tool, and most of the world's data is said to be gathered under survey with the help of questionnaire only. So let's know something about questionnaire. Friends, do we know since when questionnaire is used as a tool of survey under research? Use of questionnaire for research was not new for the 17th century Britain, and it was widely used by the then government and the churches. As we know, the churches were involved in the mega surveys, taking the demographies of the citizens, and therefore this was one of the tools which was used by churches as well as then government, as well as some people who were more interested in knowing about the demographies. So friends, let's know few more basics about the term questionnaire. The term questionnaire must have originated from a late Latin term questionarius, formed by two different words. One is quaestio, that is in English question, and arius. Here, quaestio is used for query. Here we can call quaestio as question as well, and question or question or query. We can call it like this. Then it is well said that the history of questionnaire might be as ancient as the existence of the Domesday Book, as we have rightly discussed in the previous slide. The first earliest questionnaire might have taken place as Dean Miles questionnaire in 1753. The most wide use or a mega use must have taken place in London by the Statistical Society of London in 1838, when a committee was appointed to inquire into the industrial and social conditions, and they designed a set of questions to elicit the complete and impartial history of the strikes of the labor in the particular area or region. The most common or famous public survey in United States always used a questionnaire for its national census, which started taking place every 10 years since 1790. So we can't say that it must have taken place in the 19th century or it must have taken place in the 17th century. Its whereabouts cannot be traced because the man is always a curious nature and believes in forming the society in an amicable manner, and naturally for which he needs the heaps of information, and this heaps of information must have been retrieved with the help of questionnaires only. Now what is questionnaire? Questionnaire is a research device or instrument or a tool that is made up of a series of questions, the main objective of which is to collect the relevant data from the respondents, which can be used for the variety of purposes. So most important part here, few set of words we have to keep in mind is, number one, series of questions are included in the questionnaire. There has to be some objective with which we are gathering the data from the respondents. And number three, the different purposes for which we have gathered the information should be of the societal benefit. These are few most important things which are required to form a the questionnaires might be individual questionnaires or they are meant for the survey purposes. If they are asked to the individuals with a special purpose to know something about that particular individual, they are known as the individual questionnaire. And if at all they are meant for taking the survey, they are the survey questionnaires. So let's know more about how the individual questionnaires differ from the survey questionnaires. Individual questionnaires is a list of questions used to collect the data about someone or something. Absolutely individual, absolutely personal data with a personal objective, not meant for any survey or not meant to find out any type of pattern or any type of trend. So this type of individual questionnaires are not useful for the statistical analysis or finding out any trend or pattern. For example, if a person is going to a gym to seek the membership, the gym people will get one questionnaire filled in. Or if you are going to a physician, a general physician, to check your physical condition, he'll be giving you a questionnaire. You have to fill in that questionnaire and specify about your current physical condition of your health. Now, how an individual questionnaire is different from a survey questionnaire? A questionnaire in survey is a bit different. Instead of looking at individual questionnaire, it's used to understand the trend, do the detailed analysis and reveal deep insights. The key with a survey is that it's collecting data to express the purpose of the analysis. If you are asking an employee a question with respect to his relations with his boss, then it is an individual questionnaire. However, if this questionnaire is meant to ask the same question to 500 employees, that becomes a survey questionnaire. So friends, in this presentation, we have tried to know what do we mean by questionnaire, from where this particular term must have originated, then what are the different ways how we question people, that is the individual questionnaire and the survey questionnaire. And especially friends, in this presentation, we are more keen to know about the questionnaires meant for survey, because survey is one of the very important methods of research, especially the social research. Thank you so much.